Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We're going to be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut headlight tint on this 2022 Chevy Trail Boss. This is a dry application film, so we're going to be applying it completely dry. First off, you want to start by cleaning the vehicle, or at least the surrounding area of the part that you'll be working with. Once that is done, prior to installation, right before, you're going to wipe down the lamp with rubbing alcohol and microfiber. Once that has dried off, you could go ahead and start the installation process. Some tools that you'll be needing for today are a heat gun and a heat gun or hair dryer, and a squeegee. Heat gun on a low setting, hair dryer on a high setting to basically just manipulate the film a little bit. We don't really use it a whole bunch on this. This lamp is pretty flat, but you'll see in the installation here. So once you got everything cleaned, you can go ahead and pull your material off the backing paper. We're going to start by aligning here in that corner. And you're going to want just a touch over towards the inside. Make sure you got the coverages you need. And then you can go ahead and just work the film up. Towards the fender. Then on this bottom section, we're aligning it at the very top. If you have a little bit of overhang, that's fine. You could use a squeegee to tuck it into the gap. So once you got the alignment pretty good, I'm gonna pull this up to get rid of this right here. You can go ahead and start to work the film down. You could use a squeegee or your fingertips, really. Whatever you feel more comfortable with. The nice thing about this film is you can pull it back up like I did a couple times if there is an alignment issue or if you have a giant air pocket stuck in the middle. It is pretty forgiving film. If you do crease the film, like if you get, like I don't know if you see that, those little bunched areas, if you could happen to get a crease in there, you could pull the film back up and then heat it. The crease will actually dissipate out of the material. And then you can go ahead and work it back down again. All right, now you can go ahead and start to heat the film. We're gonna heat it to basically get it up in these grooves around the entire lamp. You don't need a whole lot of heat, just a couple passes. Like I said, the heat just helps the film conform. It also helps to activate the adhesive a little bit. Last spot is up here. This top corner is probably the hardest part, just because the film needs to go this way, that way, and this way. So we're gonna work up to that edge. Sort of use your thumb pad to get the film to go that direction, and that will help stretch it and let it seep down in the areas that it needs to be. And this is the light smoke version of this film. I will have a link to this product in the video description below, as well as the rest of the products for this particular vehicle. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our email and phone number is listed on the website. And thank you for watching.